Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 4 different customer support agent jobs that you can do remotely just for you. So this one is for the company Camp Life. They're basically an outdoor enthusiast. Camping is an essential part of our recreation with friends and family. So they have everything to do with campsites. What you'll do besides making incredible software that helps park creators live their best life, we commit to creating dependable relationships to our customers with each other. You'll be a Camp Life evangelist, providing the kind of solutions that showcase your fantastic problem-solving skills and the best feature of our software. You listen well and gather important details on phone, email, and chat conversations. You use the troubleshooting skills and knowledge of computers and systems to diagnose and quickly find resolutions to customer concerns. And you cheerfully walk them through fixes using non-jargony language. So you'll be basically a customer success team. Qualifications: high school diploma or equivalent, a minimum of 2 years of applicable customer service experience, working knowledge of computer systems, general knowledge of accounting principles, and accounting or bookkeeping experience preferred. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job 1 so you can apply right away. And the pay type for this one is between $16 to $20 per hour. So if you would like to apply for this one, it's going to be under job number 1 on the description below. This next one is for the Collective 2. So for this one, you provide first-rate customer support through email, phone, chat, web, and forums. Answer questions related to Collective 2 via email, chat, forum, and phone call. Make customers feel warm and pleasant after every interaction. Be accountable and follow through until resolution. Handle a variety of customer support tasks. Proactively look for solutions to problems and suggest improvements to product designers and managers. Requirements: college education, trading or investing background, customer support experience for more than 2 years, a crisp, clear phone voice, English fluency, excellent writing and grammar, fast, reliable internet connection, shiny, stable PC, Mac, and good headset, knowledge of common help desk ticketing solutions. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is hit the like button first. That helps us a lot. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. This next job is for Bilingual People for the Speak Easy Marketing, Spanish-English bilingual answering service person. The pay is $18 an hour with a potential raise upon successful completion of 90-day probatory period and passing a performance review. You need the following skills: capable of working well as part of a cohesive team, dependable with unquestionable integrity and work ethic, showing up to work on time and staying for the entire work period, prioritizing answering all inbound calls within 3 rings no matter what, ability to learn new skills and read necessary supporting materials, ability to communicate clearly and effectively both verbally and in writing, and ability to multitask. For this one, it's a 1099 position on a trial basis for the first 90 days, and then you will move on to be an actual employee with a potential pay increase as well. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job 3 so you can apply right away. And job number 4 is also for Speak Easy Marketing, but this time it's just an answering service person. This also pays $18 an hour. and it's basically the same skills and attributes: capable of working well as part of a cohesive team, dependable and unquestionable integrity, showing up to work on time, answering all inbound calls within 3 rings, ability to learn new skills, ability to communicate clearly, and ability to multitask. If you would like to apply for this one, it will be on the job number 4, so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, so you can apply and be prepared to find the best work from home job just for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.